and today's video is going to be my very first video in my new glasses. Just kidding, I won't be filming in my glasses because if not, you'll be seeing these ring light clears. And these are actually still the same glasses. They're just a different color, and it's only because my optic place did not have this frame in brown anymore. But action, action, action. You're on Pink Ice 13.
And today's video is going to be a very exciting video because I posted a while back ago link down below. Check the description box down below so that way you can get 25% off Function of Beauty. It'll be the first link in the description box. Click on that and then you get 25% off your first purchase on me. And my discount code is better because influencers discount codes is actually only a 20%, meanwhile mine is a 25%. So with me you get a bigger discount. Use my link. So, okay guys, so I got Function of Beauty. I'm gonna put the date right here because like I don't remember exactly when I did order it.
But it did take like a month, but that is because I used a subscription membership. So like since I'm a subscriber to Function of Beauty, then I get the free shipping. But if you want your products to come a bit faster, then you just pay the normal shipping fee. What the brand stands for, like the fact that I get to choose like my exact needs makes me like, whoa, this is like a forever thing.
And I just wanted to remind you guys really quick, I do have an eBay shop. It's called Pink Ice 13 and it's a very random shop. I sell a little bit of everything and I'm sure if you go and check out my shop, you'll find a treasure just for you. So without further ado guys, please subscribe down below by hitting that red subscribe button, making it gray. Then hit that post notification bell button right afterwards so that way you're notified every time I upload. Sort of like a little text message. Pink Ice 13 just posted. And give this video a huge thumbs up and share this video in my eBay shop. And the fact that I have a Function of Beauty discount link to 25% off with your friends and family.
Ooh, look at that. It says Function of Pink Ice 13. I love the box already. And the box is like customized to say Function. See? Function. Here's then the brand, Function of Beauty. Then here's their website, which is super cool because if the male person sees the box, you're like, oh, okay, that box looks cool. And I love that it's cardboard, so it's recyclable. You open it, boom. I can't believe you guys saw it first before me. Yeah, up close and personalized. Vegan, cruelty-free, sulfate and paraben-free, sustainability focused, sustainability focused, customized in the USA. Sulfate and paraben free. I don't really know about this. Like I've just always heard that sulfate is bad for you. So like ever since I've heard about it since I was like in middle school, like all my shampoos have to say sulfate free. If not, they're not my shampoos. Sustainability focused,
customized in the USA. Which is awesome because then like work, you know, like here, that means people are working and then there's a flow with the economy, especially during these times where the economy is lower.
Then it has like a little pic art in the box of their shampoo bottles, their conditioner, their leave-in, their hair mask, and their hair serum. So like their like hairline. And
I really want to try the hair mask. That's like the next thing I'm gonna get, a hair mask. I don't know when, but I'm gonna get it.
Okay. So this is how the inside looks like. Let's just pull it out first. Function of Pink Ice 13, vegan and cruelty free. But like I put that I have curly hair. Okay, so then I put that it's coarse. I just put that it's coarse because it's like really damaged and it's oily.
So my hair goals, I put in the test that you take when filling this out because okay, so when you put in functionofbeauty.com, you take like a little mini test and then you go putting in like what your hair goals are. Everything that you put is what makes your customized shampoo.
Okay, so I put that for hair goals that I want anti-frizz because I have the frizziest hair ever. Like my curls can look cute, like they could be popping, but then like here it looks staticky. Like imagine like if someone just passed a balloon. I put that I want curl definition. I never shade my hair now and I love my curly hair. It's just so hard to maintain it curly. Fix split ends because I have a lot of split ends. Oil control and reduce brassiness because I do have blonde hair. And guys, I think I've been doing like a really good job in maintaining the blonde. Like look, there's no brassiness to it. My nail broke. I was like, why does my finger feel weird? Oh man, I broke it even more. Oh well. So for fragrance, I put that I want the nude peach and I want it like strong because I love smelling like strong scents. I love it when perfumes are like strong, like when you just walk in and people are like, yo, Bianca's in here. So let's open up the little booklet.
Welcome to the Function fam. Congrats on your breakup with drugstore hair care. How did they know? We know it was a long time coming. Some things to know as you start your new relationship with custom products you and your hair deserve. You're about to lather your locks in a blend of clean, science-backed ingredients to help you reach your hair goals. A team of eco-conscious MIT trained scientists made it fancy, huh? This booklet came packed with useful information on your formula and tips for your hair type. Some more where this came from. Customize your shower even more with our leave-in treatment, hair mask, serum, body wash, and lotion. Like I said, I really want to try the hair mask. I really want to try the hair mask because like my salon has told me hair mask, hair mask, hair mask. So PPS, when we say clean, we mean it. Find out more at functionofbeauty.com/our-values. So if you want to learn more about their values, go on that link. Oh, okay, so this is so cool. This has an expiration date. This is the first time I actually see a shampoo that has like an expiration date, and that is A+, because like you guys always watch on YouTube videos how people are talking about like, I'm throwing out this makeup product because it's expired, and I'm like, how do people know it's expired? Like honestly, I don't know when my makeup is gonna expire, because no one ever puts like an expiration date on like beauty products. Sometimes lotions and like face serums have them, but this is so cool, and I really praise it for them. It's literally gonna expire in a year, and like in a year, I'm obviously gonna finish this. But it says that it expires in October of 2021. So what was in the booklet is these cute little stickers. Look! Okay, it says Functional Beauty sticking with us has its perks. Want insider access to tons of cool free benefits? Of course you do. Become a subscriber today to get flexible deliveries as well. I'm a subscriber. Unlock exclusive light colors plus scents. Ooh, that's so much fun. Free shipping to your door. Early access to new launches. Test new products before they launch. Ready to join the Function Fun? Subscribe today via your account at functionofbeauty.com. Ooh.
I feel like there are new stickers with every like order every so often, because these say 2021 like New Year's Eve glasses. Like, okay, so the shampoo bottle says made in the USA, and then shampoo, and then I'll just like customize it with the stickers. Okay, function of Pink Case 13, celebrate individuality, which is so true because no two hairs are alike. Shake, 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 shake. Oh, look, it has a little stopper and everything. Oh my god, I opened it and I smelled it like right there and then, and it has a stopper. Oh my god.
I don't really have anything to complain about filling, because people were talking about like, oh, but they don't fill the product up to the top. But like, you gotta keep in mind, you can only put up to a certain amount, because the stopper is gonna like, you know, like stuff is gonna leak out. Or like if you put it all the way to the top, then that could be like a safety hazard for your product when it's in shipping, because like since shipping, boxes move everywhere around. They're having like a little party.
Oh wait, every time I twist it, I find even more. What? Am I going crazy? Okay, so it's, oh, look at the little division. Okay, so division. Anybody inside the little division. Oh, and then like you're on the outside, and then it says I'm like you, and then it has a heart just for you. This is the cutest thing ever. And this is such a unique little bottle too. Look, it's so cute. It looks like a little like really fancy beverage.
Ooh, okay, so it's a rubber stopper. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, 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 okay, okay. Ooh.
Imagine Bath and Body Works body mist or lotion, but in your hair as a fragrance. Oh my god, and look at the pigment, guys.
Okay, so like once you get the stopper out, you can't put it back in. Okay, because like I'm trying to put it back in, guys, and I can't.
So these are 8 ounces, by the way. And that, oh, even the bottles are each customized. So like, I'm really hoping that like my next bottle is gonna be completely different. So it says, imagine yourself, in parentheses. Imagine flaws are unreal. Imagine beauty equals mantra.
When you have blonde hair, you only need a purple shampoo. You don't need a purple conditioner. So then, like, I just chose this color because this one automatically came with purple, like, pigment for the shampoo. But then for conditioner, you're allowed to pick whatever color you want.
So technically, this comes for like 4 hair benefits, and this one comes for 5 hair benefits, since the blonde only counts for the shampoo. Super fruity love. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, so you guys know that when you go to like a hair salon and you want to buy like a bougie brand shampoo, I don't want to say specific brands because I don't want to bash any brands, but you know those like really big like salon quality shampoo bottles, and they don't come with a pumper. You have to buy a pumper, and sometimes Ulta has a deal, like if you buy a shampoo you get a free pumper, or like for $1 you get a pumper, and these already come with the pumper included in the price.
And look at this box, guys, it's so cute. I'm not throwing this box away. Shampoo, conditioner, a little flat iron, a little lady with her curly, beautiful hair, a little pineapple. I'm allergic to pineapples. But they don't ask that, so I'm not blaming them. They're not gonna put, are you allergic to pineapples? A cute little telephone, like, you know, when you're in the tub and you're just like, hey girl. A bloat. Oh, mermaid. How did you know? I'm a mermainicorn. A mermaid unicorn. Where's a unicorn? A little doggy. And guys, so I'll be right back and I'm just gonna customize my bottle.
So the one thing is that with the shampoo, since the purple is very, very dark, none of the not a lot of stickers were revealing on it. So I had to choose the stickers that were fully with color, because you see the sticker that it's transparent, and then you wouldn't really be able to pick it up on here. So that's why I wasn't able to make the purple one as decorated with the stickers.
But okay, so when it said made in the USA, I did the little cool dude where he's with the shades, because that American pride, you know? I put a cookie because it says just for you, and then it's the you unlike anybody, and my body loves cookies. I love the little spot. I always feel like a bougie Sharpay girl. I put a little heart next to the pink ice 13 function of pink ice 13 and a heart as well. And then I did this girl who looks like me because she has bangs and glasses, and I wear those corny girls that for the holidays we wear headbands, since I love art. And then with the quote that I had mentioned earlier, I thought it would go perfect. And then on top of mantra, the crown would also have gone perfect. It says, who's she? Who is she? It's conditioner. She's the conditioner. And then the cute little vintage bathtub. And then my favorite one in the bottom, hotness. This is how my hair looks brushed out. You see how the curls naturally, even though it's brushed out, then the curls just stop, and then it goes hey it's been a really long time. As of today is December 6th right now that I'm currently filming this, and I actually just washed my hair a few hours ago. I wanted you guys to see how my hair has looked in a time period of testing it out for about a month now. As you guys see, I have new hair.
This is how it looks in the front, with all my hair brought to the front. But of course, if I were to I had my hair actually this the whole day. So basically, this was how my hair looked all day from the back. Let's turn around. Yeah, like that. And there's sometimes where I put some front pieces like this to the front, where you could see. But for the most part, I usually have my hair like this.
The big question is, what are my thoughts? My hair is completely different to yours. How certain chemicals react to my hair may react completely different to yours. For the main part, I feel very satisfied with the results of my hair. I personally like how my hair looks. Look at my hair. There's curls. My hair, of course, it's damaged, it's bleached, it's colored. I've dyed it before so many times. And look at my curl pattern. This one curl, oh my god, I love it. Go to my previous videos, look at my curl pattern. I personally like what the shampoo and conditioner has done to my curl pattern. My hair is not brassy. I mean, okay, I was on a trampoline because my cousins have a trampoline, so I don't see anything super frizzy. And boy, if you've been on a trampoline and then we were playing circus, where you put your hands like this, and then with your feet you're carrying the other person in the air. And look at my hair. The frizz is good, I promise. I haven't retouched it or anything. I think that my hair is good even from the back. And look, to show you guys proof, this was on my hair and I would so repurchase it again. I recommend you trying it out.
Look at that shine. Go get yourself some functional beauty. What is this hair? Oh my god.
And look, my cousin did this for me. She did a little braid on me. And that's a little hairstyle too, a trick that I just grab random sections of hair and just start braiding it. I recommend you doing thick braids, so that's way it's easier for you to spot.
Because honestly, I did 4 really skinny ones and they got lost in my hair, and then when I was showering it, I had to yank a braid out from halfway, and then I was I lost that hair. But that was my fault because I did the braids too skinny. Go get yourself some functional beauty if you want hair just as happy as mine.
And by the way, guys, before signing out, I'm so excited to say I finally finished this college semester, so I'm gonna be able to get back on my posting game. Please take care, guys. Just because there's vaccines doesn't mean that it's ended. So please, God bless you. See you very, very, very soon, my mermaid accord, if God permits. Bye.